now the how to manage the packages, how you can manage the packages. Package managing means installing the package, maintain the package and remove the package. These are the three processes done by the package managers. So package managers are different on a different distribution. Like if there is a Red Hat distribution where is CentOS, Fedora and a RHEL. These are the operating system which are having the Red Hat package manager. So there is a three Red Hat package manager. One is a RPM. Its actually name is Red Hat package manager RPM. Another is a Yellow Dog update manager YUM, and another is a dandified YUM. There is a DNF. Short form is a DNF. So DNF and YUM working exist as a command, you can execute it. Another is a Debian package manager. Debian package manager are exist on the based on the Debian based operating system. So what are the Debian based operating system? Ubuntu, Kali, Linux and Debian itself. There is a some other also exist like the Black Ark and much more. So there is a two package manager is exist. One is a Debian package manager, Debian package manager DPKG. Another is a advanced packaging tool. It is called APT, which you can run the command apt and show nmap. I have run this command sometime before if you remember. So this is the APT. APT is a advanced package tool. So you can use the two package manager in a Debian based, in a Kali Linux, DPKG and APT. On the Red Hat you can run the RPM, YUM or the DNF. There is a three are available. So now the question is this, there is a APT, there is a DNF. So why we are using the DNF, why we are using the APT? Even we have the another tool is a DPKG. So why we are going to use the APT? And what is the different? So actually in a Linux, because there is a lots of the software exist in a Linux, like you are installing the Skype. Already you know about the Skype, guys. If you are going to install the Skype on the Linux, so because Skype is not a standalone software, to run the Skype there is a some other software is required to run the Skype. So these software known as a dependency. So what is meaning of the dependency? Like I have installed a Skype software, but Skype software is dependent on ABC package. So when you will install the Skype, if the ABC package is missing, so Skype will not work properly. So in this case, along with the Skype, ABC must be installed. But if the ABC also dependent on the XYZ, so the XYZ will be also, you will have to install XYZ software. Means whatever the dependency software exists, you will have to install all the software. So does it mean some software requires the other supporting software to do the proper function? So package manager will alert you to missing the dependency. When you will install any software and the dependency is missing or dependent software is missing, so it will display a alert. So why following the or chasing the alert, you can install the dependency software as well. Package manager may means possibilities. So there is a possibilities when you are installing the software by using the APT on the Debian based or using the YUM yum or DNF when you are installing software on Red Hat Package Manager or RPM based computer. So they will install packages along with dependency. That is the different. So keep in mind guys, you will remember this thing because most of the interviewer ask this question, what is the difference between the DPKG and APT? So DPKG only install the single package, but APT will install the package along with their dependency. Means DPKG will install the single package, but APT will install the package along with the dependency. Similar, the RPM will install the standalone software or the package, but yum and DNF will install the package along with their dependency. Okay, that is the difference